Crypto billionaire 69. Okay, I think I'm done. Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on DOGELON Mars, my friends. We're about to jump straight into the freaking charts, because today, oh my goodness, I'm sorry, I'm really pumped right now because I just got done filming a whole video on the course of the pre-sale. It was amazing, guys. You guys who have gotten in the pre-sale are about to learn some life-changing knowledge once you watch this next video. And it's only 2 videos in, my friends. There's 2 videos in. You guys are about to change your lives on how you look at these markets. If you're actually interested in the pre-sale, shoot me an email for serious investors only. And it's limited time only, ends November 3rd. If you get in before, not November 3rd, December 3rd, my friends, not November 3rd. Yeah, it ends December 3rd. If you get in early, you can ask me any questions you like. But once it's made. And the price quadruples. Because that is life-changing knowledge, my friends. I'm excited about it. Let's jump straight into the charts. DOGELON Mars has beautifully broken the 15 levels. Let's get right into this because this is crucial. Extremely crucial. We are seeing selling pressure to the downside, testing our next or previous triple bottom. Like I said in the last video, this is extremely crucial. Extremely crucial. Bitcoin has let's pull that up because I'm actually very curious as to what it has done in the last few seconds, hours, minutes. It is seeing the same sort of selling pressure. I do believe we might break this and head down to these 53 levels. Now I hope that's not the case, but it very well could be to scare some more weak-minded people out of these markets before our next move to the upside. And yes, people will call me crazy. People called me crazy when I invested in Bitcoin all the way down here. But guys, it's a simple move. It's a simple tactic. If you guys, I'm super excited of those of you that are taking this course seriously. Hey Google, volume 4, please. Thank you. All right. Those of you that are taking the course, this is, oh my gosh. You guys understand all of these cycles. You understand the best times to get in, and you can literally figure out the best times to get in by going through a Chick-fil-A drive-thru. And if that sounds crazy, yeah, exactly. That's the beauty of the knowledge in this course. All right. I'm not trying to hard sell you the course. I'm just super pumped. How freaking ecstatic. I don't know. I'm just happy. I'm super happy you guys are actually getting this knowledge because you guys need to know. You guys need to know whenever. I'm tired of people losing money in these markets. It's not that hard to make money. It's simply buy low, sell high. Now, all right, let's just get into the price action. I think I'm going a little bit overboard with my excitement here. All right, Bitcoin, we need to watch for a move to the downside around the 34, 33 level. If that happens, it will be beautiful, my friends. It will be beautiful. What else will be beautiful is if we start seeing some buying pressure. Now, I don't necessarily think we will, but I hope we do around this 56 level. We see big buying pressure. But I just don't simply think there's enough fear in the markets right now. I still think people are very comfortable with their investments. And that's the bad thing. Whenever people are comfortable, there's not money to be made. Whenever people are fearful, the most money is to be made. And right now, people are fairly comfortable. All right? It is not into the red. It is into the fear. Yesterday, we were into the 33s, which is getting there. Day before, we were in neutral. And we want to see it around this level, okay? This is where we want to see it. That's an extreme buying opportunity. Now, I do have to say, we have seen fear, so that is good. But I just don't simply think we are that fearful yet. All right, let's get right into it. Don't get me wrong, I hope it goes up, but I then again don't think mom and pops out here are really worrying about their 20% loss. Now, once it hits their stop loss at around 30%, then they'll be like, oh my God, I'm so glad I sold, it's going to drop more. And then the big whales are going to push it even higher. All right, let's get right into this. Trendline, bearish flag. Now we have seen, this is daily charts. Let's just zoom out, guys. When in doubt, zoom out. Look at this. Okay, this is a crazy bearish flag. Wow. Wow. Yeah, this week, last week I looked at it with the doji candle, right? This week it's creating we need to see some buying pressure move in here. Now, volume is tapering off, I'll give it that, and that is a good thing. But we do need to start seeing some buying pressure here, or else we're heading back to the downside, which is completely fine with me. I am ready to buy more. Let's look. Now, honestly, hit the 0.5 level, came back up. Hit the 618 level, came back up. Huge buying pressure. If we don't see big buying pressure here, it'll be quite surprising, honestly. If we start heading down to the 618 level, that means it's a good thing. Now, a lot of you guys will get scared out. Those of you who haven't watched this video, we'll sell your bags. But guys, you need to HODL. You need to HODL. You don't want to ever sell for a loss, all right? Especially if you're swing trading months at a time, weeks at a time. I'm holding this coin for at least a minimum of a year, all right? I don't want to have to pay that short-term capital gains tax, first of all. And I think within a year, we should start seeing a big retracement in the overall markets. And we do not want to be in these coins when that is happening, because these coins are going to tank as well, and hard. These are just short-term plays. We are in this market, in these little coins, to make money and take profits, all right? Now, when do you make money? When do you take profits? I'll be getting into that in future videos. If you want to learn how, I'll leave, just email me, all right? Just email me. And let's get right into, if you guys haven't got in, what we need to look out for in the coming days, coming weeks. In-depth technical analysis with Crypto Billionaire 69. Hit that subscribe button if you want daily in-depth technical analysis on DOGELON Mars. It is currently 12:01 a.m. Staying up late on this grind for you guys. I gotta wake up super early in the morning because I like surfing, right? And the waves are up, so I'm gonna go surfing. That's what you can do. Let's get it. Bull flag. Here. To here. How did I get that? Bring it down to here, and you want to start from the first green candle with big volume. All right. We have broken our bullish flag. All right. Now this can be seen. This can be taken two ways, and let me explain what those two ways are. People can panic right now and start selling. We very well could see that. As it moves lower, the bigger money will start to slowly accumulate. They won't buy a lot of bags, but they will start slowly accumulating, creating a new floor. As that new floor is created, within a week, 2 weeks, retail traders will begin to step back in, pushing the price higher, create new floor, and then starts hitting major news stations, because this thing has not seen major news in a while. So after that, it will go off to the next run. All right, that is longest case scenario. All right, now what we would like to see, this is very possible if the overall markets start seeing a reversal pattern here soon. All we need to see for the overall markets to see a reversal pattern is for this candle to close above the 61,000 level. All right, if it does that, we are back. We are going up. We are in a continuation pattern. However, if it breaks down to the downside to create more fear and panic in these markets, so that the big money can get a better buy, then we, along with Bitcoin, will see a drop in DOGELON Mars. And this is why we average in. So we can average in more as it drops. All right? These markets are simply a transfer of wealth from the impatient to the patient. We need to be trading with zero emotion. We need to be holding. Because in these drops, especially if it looks like this, If this was a pump and up, it would have gone up, tanked. Or it would have gone up, came back up, and then tanked. Back to where it started. But guys, we are seeing extreme adoption all over the world. We are seeing whale wallets. Crypto.com has bought so much of this coin because they know what is coming in the future. They know that this coin is going to take off. And when it does, they want to be able to sell to whoever wants to buy it whenever with no limits. And that's what they are accumulating right now for, because they see this as a fit price in order to get in. Now, what we need to look for to the downside is a support around this 1480 level. We need to find support around the 1480 level. This is to the upside, my friends. If we do find support around the 1480 level, we want to see a big green candle moving back up. All right, that will be a confirmation candle to average in. Now, what we need to see to the downside, if we break this 1480 level, our next real point of resistance is around the 14s, 1430. Okay, I'll draw a rectangle for you guys because it's way easier to understand. And we'll go to the 3 hourly charts to get some more price action involved. My friends, this is what we need to look out for. And if you haven't averaged in, wait for confirmation. This is not financial advice, but wait for confirmation. Because we are going to Mars with this thing. It's just a matter of time, my friends. Just a matter of time. This is our support and resistance level. We are currently holding support around this 1527 level. All right. Now, this green candle that just started, if this ends above this 1620 level, if this ends above this wick right here, which is at the 16 level, 1604, that is a good sign, because this would be considered a fake out as it broke below this bullish flag resistance. Now, fake outs are extremely common in the markets. If you don't know what that is, keep watching and I'll explain. Fake outs are when there's a common trend line drawn by multiple investors and the big money, what's the word? On purpose, the big money breaks the trend line in order to scare the retail investor and create panic in the market. All right, that's what we're seeing. We're seeing panic in the market. Now, if it comes back up and closes above this 14 level with volume on this candle, it's a good possibility, but I don't know if that will happen just because of the overall sentiment of the market right now. If that were to happen, then we were to have to see a big price movement on Bitcoin. Only time will tell, but this is what we need to look for. If it closes above this 1604 level, that is a good continuation pattern to the upside as it closes in this bullish flag support line. All right. Now, if it breaks down below, we need to be watching this triple bottom to the left. All right. Around this, the absolute point of no return is around this 1470 level. And by point of no return, that I mean, it's simple. I mean, we will be getting a better discount on our price as it drops more towards this level here. All right. You always want to look at this previous resistance and support line over here. Okay? And the Fibonacci levels. Fibonacci level is huge. All right. As it drops to this 1345 level, we need to watch for bullish pressure. If we don't see bullish pressure, then we'll be heading down to this 10 level, which is extreme buying opportunity. I will be adding so many bags, my friends. But as it reaches this 0.5 level, we need to look. We need to hold strong because this is extremely normal, guys. Extremely normal. Let me show you. This gets confusing with all these. Look how much cleaner that is. All right. Yeah, that's what we need to look out for now. The triple bottom, if it breaks below this 1430 level, then we will be heading down to here. What we want to see is it to come down here and then push off with volume, just like it did here. All right, and that's an extreme opportunity. That's an extreme averaging in opportunity. Right now, we're just in a crucial waiting point. It's neither buy or sell at this moment, and this is not financial advice. It's simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. Neither buy and sell at this moment. It is HODL the bags that you have. If you have not gotten any bags, then wait for confirmation in order to get bags. My friends, hit that subscribe button. Daily crypto analysis by Crypto Billionaire 69.